Hey friends, hope you all doing good. And today I'll show you how you can set up cron job on any Linux system. So actually in my last 2-3 videos like this one, in this that or title video title gets updated automatically, and I have a script for this video as well. And in that script this numbers in my Twitter account gets updated automatically. So for these kind of scripts that you need to run at a certain interval and every day or every minute or every hour, so for that you need some kind of a scheduler, and in Linux it is by far the easiest method if you use the cron job. And in Linux actually cron job is pre-installed, so you don't need to install anything. You just simply can schedule any script. And there are other technologies like airflow. Airflow software works on Windows as well, I guess. But if you need to schedule just 2-3 scripts, I don't think you need any other software for that, third party software. You will just need cron job, and you can schedule just in a few minutes. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it. So this is Windows system, as you can see, but I am connected to a Linux server. So this is a AWS EC2 instance. So if you are using Ubuntu, that's also fine, or you are connected to a Ubuntu server, that is also fine. So the steps will be pretty much the same. So here I am connected to AWS server, and now here you can see I have in my home directory I have a few files, and I just created this test cron.py. This is a Python file. Let me show you what it has. So it just has a few line of code, and it prints the Indian time, and a printf just saying I'm working. Okay, so if I run it, you'll see Python 3 and test cron. So you can see this is just printing the date and time, and the printf I am working. So to set up the cron job, you will need to type cron tab and -e for edit. Okay, and it will show you this file. So this is a file already created, and you can see the path here as well. So here you will not see these 3 lines. You will see all these commands that is mentioned here, but you will not see these 3 lines. These are actually the 2 scripts I have for those videos that I just showed you, and this last one I was just testing the cron job. So let me just delete it, or you can just see. So if you just open this file, you can just add 1 line for 1 script. Okay, every line you can schedule only 1 script. So just ignore the first 2. Let me show you this third one. Okay, so third one, what do we have to do is, whenever we are setting up any cron job, first we will need to mention the pattern of the cron. So this pattern does this. First is for minute, that you can see M here in the comment, that is for minute, and the second one is for hour. And like so you have to learn the cron pattern a little bit, and you can just Google for any cron pattern. Like you can Google just cron pattern for every hour. Okay, so you will just see the cron pattern for every hour. You can just copy that from anywhere. Okay, so this is actually the cron pattern for every hour. So this actually means that any hour and the 0th minute. So you will have to learn that a little bit, but otherwise you can just copy it from Google. That's also fine. So you can see the same pattern here. So this means I am running this script every hour. Okay, and for this one you can see there is star for every position. So that means I am running it every minute. So now you will have to write the command that you want to run. So this is actually the command that I run to run the script, the actual script. So that I will have to do here. First write the pattern, then give a space, and then write your command, the command you want to run every minute or every hour. So that is the command I am giving here. And this last part is optional, but I am just doing it just for the sake of testing, because I want to see the output of this file in this log file, so that I can show you that this file is actually running every minute. Otherwise you don't need this last part. Okay, this your cron job will run absolutely fine, no problem at all. So let me show you. If I save this, Control X, so it is asking for save. So now it is saved, and you will see this small message here, installing new cron tab. when you add any new cron job, so this will show you here. After that you will not need to do anything else, but if you still see your cron job is not running, you can just do this command sudo service cron restart, so it will restart your cron job. So this is also optional, but most of the time you will not need this command. Still, if you want, you can just restart. And now let me show you what is there in the file cron test.txt. You see, it is last time when I ran it, it was 12:13. Okay, so after a minute you will automatically see the number has changed. So that means the cron job has run and it is working fine. Okay, it is still showing 13. We'll have to wait 1 minute because the cron job will run it after every minute. So let's just wait a minute. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on Twitter, and I give all the updates on Twitter, like what videos I am working on, or what experiments I am doing, things like that. So I keep tweeting about those things. So like today morning itself I told everyone that I am going to make a video about cron job. So if you find this helpful, so please follow me on Twitter as well and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's see what here, if the cron job has run or not. So you can see it has changed. Now it is 14. It was 13 before, now it is 14. So that means after every minute you will see this number will change. So this is just optional. I am printing it in a log file just to see if the numbers change. Otherwise the job is running fine. So I hope you got the point. So first you will just need to edit this cron job file. Here you just come down and write your pattern first, cron pattern, and then you write the command. Like this one is node.js, and because I am running a JS file, that's why it is node, and for Python as well this is fine. And you can run any command if you wish to run. Okay, so it doesn't have to be Python only. So that's the thing, and then you just save the file, and that's all you need to do. No modification has made because I didn't change anything. So I hope you got the point. That's it. See you in the next video, guys.